You know when they say never meet your heroes because they will only disappoint you? Well, after 750 interviews, where I've interviewed everyone from Guy Kawasaki, William Shatner, Wendy Williams, Microsoft, Sony, IBM, Adobe, SAP, and so many more, I can safely say that every single person I've spoke to has been incredibly welcoming and free from any egos at all. But, yes, you did sense a big but coming, didn't you? I received a direct message from one of the biggest names in the blogging world the other day on Instagram. Notification spam and keeping all those little numbers from their apps on your phone is something that messes with my OCD. And keeping up with them all can be quite frustrating, and just removing all them notifications from the apps. But when you get a big name direct messaging you and asking for your help, I must admit, I felt a little bit starstruck. So I sat down and carefully wrote a reply, sharing my story and how I would be happy to help. The following day, I received another message, completely bypassing my previous reply. And then it dawned on me. It was clearly an automated message, designed to look like it was a personal message. Essentially, it seemed that the direct message from a verified Instagram account was actually just automated software. And this got me thinking how this is not the way to use technology. I mean, if you're sending a direct message and sending a notification to somebody's account, you should want to connect and want that authenticity. And equally, if you go on LinkedIn and compose a message there, if you need the LinkedIn algorithm to provide you with the reply or a conversation starter, you're in big trouble, aren't you? But enough of how businesses or influencers or individuals shouldn't use AI and shouldn't use other technologies in this manner. I wanted to explore the real exciting game changer stuff today and how it has a huge potential for the future. So today I wanted to take a look at artificial intelligence and SAP Jam. So SAP Jam is a cloud-based enterprise social networking suite and collaboration app that actually enables users to connect with employees, their partners and customers, and be utilised to protect company data by collaborating over a secure network. Upon reading more and more about SAP Jam, I invited Stephen Hamrick, and he's the Vice President of Product Management at SAP, onto this Daily Tech podcast so we can discuss how artificial intelligence, machine learning and natural language processing can impact employee productivity and efficiency right across the workplace, from everything from scheduling meetings to setting deadline reminders, and how all that is set to change significantly over the next 5 years. So buckle up and hold on tight as I beam your ears all the way to California so we can speak with Stephen Hamrick, where we're going to be talking all about this and how AI in the workplace is currently falling short, and most importantly, where it will soon be heading with key advancements being made. So a massive warm welcome to the show. Can you tell the listeners a little about who you are and what you do?
Certainly. My name is Steve Hamrick, and I am the Global Head of Product Management and Product Design for Enterprise Collaboration Products at SAP. And my background's kind of interesting. I've been in the enterprise software business for 20 years, or actually over 20 years now. And part of that has been on the implementation side of the fence. So I've worked in IT departments, actually rolling out enterprise software, rolling out IT systems, and then I switched gears and focused on product management in the last half of my career. So my team at SAP really, they focus on working with customers to understand where can we bring enterprise collaboration capabilities and mingle them with business processes, and then we deliver that into engineering, those requirements and design into engineering, and they become software products, and there's two of them at SAP. One is called SAP Jam Collaboration, and the other one is called SAP Jam Communities.
I'm glad you brought that up there, because my understanding is that SAP Jam actually enables employees to collaborate and share documents and ideas around a particular topic or goal, instead of having to go through so many emails and other avenues that are harder to manage and track. But can you help listeners who are just hearing about it for the first time understand what kind of problems it solves for businesses?
Yeah, absolutely. I think a lot of people, when they think about collaboration, they think about it in a very generic sense, which, is like, how do I send emails or communicate or connect with my colleagues and my coworkers or share documents and that sort of thing. And certainly those are fundamentally important things that everybody has to do day in, day out. But where SAP has focused on collaboration, where we saw a distinct opportunity for delivering something above and beyond for our customers, was thinking about where were there places inside of business processes that really could benefit from having collaborative capabilities. And if you think about it, SAP's heritage is over 40 years of business process expertise. So it makes sense that this is the kind of solution you'd expect from SAP. And those documents, those content, those pieces of information could exist and live anywhere, including in Jam, but they could also exist in other repositories and other solutions. So we like to think of ourselves as a orchestration layer that helps to connect people, content, data, and process together in context of a specific business process. So let me give you a couple examples. Let's say I'm in customer support and I've got a service ticket and I'm trying to connect with my colleagues. I need to look for knowledge base articles. I need to look for FAQs, documents, and that sort of thing to help quickly solve that service ticket, and maybe even create a quick private workspace with my colleagues to swarm on that service ticket to actually get that ticket solved faster. It's not like necessarily a direct point-to-point business process. It's one that involves maybe connecting with a lot of unstructured content and people. And I could say the same thing about sales and marketing. Marketing, for example, if I'm planning a event and I want to actually have a workspace to actually bring together my colleagues, the project plan, the information about the event, and so on, and also then share that out with the rest of my organization. That needs to be connected to the system I'm using to actually plan the event, which would be powered by SAP.